Here in Blaenau, it was just really noticeable how many young people were out and just hanging around. And I realised this is something we can do. We can contribute here. We can start something where hopefully young people will love coming. They'll feel safe, they'll be fed, and they'll have a lot of fun whilst doing it.
These days, young people probably don't have space within their communities anymore to socialise, to be themselves. Somewhere that is warm. Yeah, over the last, 16 months, we've been working on redeveloping this centre to create a space for young people within the community of Blaenau Ffestiniog.
We get around 120 or so young people who come through our doors every Tuesday evening, which is a real joy and tiring work and a privilege all at the same time.
This is our second home where we're a family all together. Everyone cares, not only to the building, but to the people. We all care about each other because we're one family.
People care about the community buildings. They want to improve them because you can get a grant for a lot of money, make the building look nicer, but if you can't actually afford to heat it, nobody's want to come into the building.
Yeah, so it was just about renovating the building to a certain standard that would be comfortable, but also quite energy efficient and cheap to run.
To turn this space into a warm space would be reasonably cheap. Similarly, as our summers are getting hotter, if we wanted to provide this as a cool space, there's also an air conditioning system in here as well.
I love the new space. It's got bigger rooms, we have bathrooms, we have here, and it's just a bigger place for a load of kids to come.
I hate the way Blaenau Ffestiniog is described as a deprived town. We need to change that narrative. We might be poor economically, but socially and culturally, we're one of the richest in the world still. But it's about time we use that to create a better economic future, and that is also about taking pride, taking ownership, and rechanneling our energies. It's about us doing things for ourselves, proving that we can do things for ourselves.